Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mozilla Thunderbird. First, download and install the application from its official website. Once installed, open Thunderbird and use the Account Setup wizard to add your email accounts. You will need to input your email address, password, and potentially server details for both incoming and outgoing mail. Finally, customize your display and privacy settings to suit your preferences, ensuring a smooth start to your email management. Once your accounts are set up, managing your emails is straightforward. You can easily compose new messages or reply to existing conversations. To keep your inbox tidy, organize emails into custom folders and apply tags for quick identification. Thunderbird's robust search function allows you to locate any message in seconds. Furthermore, create filters to automatically sort incoming mail, saving you valuable time each day. Thunderbird offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. Integrate calendars and task lists directly into the application to manage your schedule effectively. Explore a wide range of add-ons to extend functionality, from new themes to productivity tools. For sensitive communications, encrypt and digitally sign your emails to ensure privacy and authenticity. Remember to back up your profile data regularly to safeguard your information. To maximize your efficiency with Thunderbird, consider these tips. Regularly compact your folders to optimize the application's performance and free up disk space. Always keep your software updated to benefit from the latest features, security patches, and bug fixes. Periodically review your account settings to ensure they are accurate and configured optimally. Finally, learn and utilize keyboard shortcuts to navigate and manage your emails much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.